Hello, it's Sean with Divine Dents in here.
Good afternoon, residents of North Texas. It's Sean with Divine Dents, and today I am out and about in the community connecting with folks who have been affected by the most recent catastrophic storms that have happened here a few days ago. I am here to offer my assistance using my experience of more than a decade of understanding and dealing with hail repairs and catastrophic damage along with other collision repair. We love to help people with many things, but this just so happens to be our specialty. And we can help you get back into your regular life and take care of all the headaches of dealing with the insurance company and missing out on your everyday responsibilities. So call us. We're a family-owned company and we want to help. Thank you for choosing us and have a good day.